Hey everyone, welcome to Man Cave Insider. I'm Dennis. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can see past and future videos. We are here in my man cave, and this room is filled with things I've collected my entire life, and these are the stories behind them. And today is the day, 50 years in the making, the release of the 50th anniversary of the Godfather trilogy appearing on 4K for the very first time. This is the Deluxe Gift Set, which I just got a few hours ago. And this comes on 5 discs. It has 1972's The Godfather, The Godfather Part 2 from 1974, The Godfather Coda, The Death of Michael Corleone, the 30th Anniversary Director's Cut, released in 2020, and it also includes the original 2 versions of The Godfather Part 3, released in 1990 in theaters and 1991 on home video. And it also includes a 5th bonus disc of extensive documentaries and deleted scenes. The Godfather films are widely regarded as some of the greatest films ever made, written by Mario Puzo and directed by Francis Ford Coppola. The Godfather and The Godfather Part 2 both won an Academy Award for Best Picture, and The Godfather Part 3 was also nominated for Best Picture, making it the first trilogy where all 3 movies received a Best Picture nomination. These films feature stellar performances from such great actors as Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, James Caan, Diane Keaton, Robert Duvall, Andy Garcia, and many more. Growing up, I always knew about the Godfather films, but I never actually saw them until I was in high school. And since then, they rank among my favorite films of all time. I could do a whole video talking about the history and the impact of these films, but what I want to do in this video is take a look at this special gift set packaging for the 50th anniversary release, which I have been looking forward to for a very long time. As you can tell, it's a truly special edition, especially when you put it next to the original DVD release of the Godfather trilogy. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the ultimate gift set of the Godfather trilogy. Okay, let's get started with the Godfather DVD collection. This was the original box set of the Godfather trilogy that was released on DVD. It includes Godfather 1, Godfather 2 is on 2 discs. The Godfather Part 3. And then it comes with a bonus disc that includes documentaries, screen tests, and deleted scenes. The next item is from my dad's film collection. This is the first Godfather film on Blu-ray. This contains just the first film, and it's the 2008 Francis Ford Coppola restoration that he did for the films when they were released on Blu-ray for the very first time. Next up is the Godfather Coda, The Death of Michael Corleone on Blu-ray. This was the 30th anniversary director's cut that Francis Ford Coppola did, which modified the beginning and the ending of the film, as well as streamlining several scenes throughout the film. And it's just the film with a brief introduction by Francis Ford Coppola. If you want to know what the differences are between this version and the original Godfather Part 3, I have another video on my channel looking at the changes that were made to this version of the film. And here it finally is, the 50th anniversary gift set of the Godfather trilogy on 4K. It comes in this really incredible packaging. It comes in this beautiful book, leather type packaging. Open it up, and it has The Godfather, 50 years. We'll look at that in a second. But what it comes with is 3 exclusive prints for this collection. This is from The Godfather, Marlon Brando as Vito Corleone. The Godfather Part 2 with Robert De Niro as young Vito Corleone. And from the third film, Michael Corleone, played, of course, by Al Pacino. And this is the book featuring photographs of all 3 films, as well as all 5 discs in this set. That's a letter of introduction from Francis Ford Coppola. Credits of each film. I haven't had a chance to watch the films in their entirety, but I did pop in each disc, and I can tell you right now the picture quality is absolutely amazing. These are the best the films have ever looked, and a lot of thought and care went into the restoration. I did have the chance to see the first 2 films on the big screen in the early 2000s when I lived in Los Angeles. There was a revival house that showed The Godfather Parts 1 and 2 on a Sunday, back to back. And it was the first and to date the only time I got to see those movies on the big screen. And it was a very special experience. If you ever get a chance to see these films on the big screen, definitely take advantage of it. These, of course, are pictures from The Godfather Part 2. And now we have the Godfather Coda, The Death of Michael Corleone, which is the third film. This came out in 1990, 16 years after the release of the second film. And this is, of course, Francis Ford Coppola and author of The Godfather, Mario Puzo. And now we have the discs. It features all of the films on 4K only. The bonus disc is a Blu-ray disc. So this is the first Godfather film. Over here we have the Godfather Part 2. And then we had the Godfather Coda, The Death of Michael Corleone. And a lot of people were asking about if the original versions of The Godfather 3 are included in the set, and I'm happy to say that they are. This is a bonus disc on 4K, which features the 1990 theatrical version of The Godfather Part 3, as well as the 1991 home video version of The Godfather Part 3 that has an extra 10 minutes into the film. And this is a bonus disc on Blu-ray, which features documentaries, deleted scenes. It's got a ton of stuff, and I really look forward to digging into that disc as well. So that is it for our look at the 50th anniversary gift set of the Godfather trilogy. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel so you can see past and future videos, and we look forward to seeing you next time.